So vulcanized rubber is a rubber sheathed cable, copper, tinned copper often, stranded, but it looks old because it is old. And if you've got vulcanized rubber, I mean, for example, I when I do testing and inspection in your home, I would use something like this called code breakers, ECIR code breakers. And vulcanized rubber, for example, here it's a C2, which means it's not immediately dangerous, but it is dangerous, and it needs, something needs to be done about it. So what it is it becomes brittle. It was installed in homes pre 1960s, and if it's extensive throughout your home, unfortunately, the only thing to do is a rewire, which is where all the old cables are stripped out, all the vulcanized rubber is stripped out, and all new cabling put in, because it's a fire risk, essentially, and it needs to be replaced. So if what it looks like is I've got if you look in the help sheet I've done for you there, you'll see a picture of it. I mean, it's quite thick. The colouring will be discoloured. Often the cable, because it's so old, is kind of like falling apart. You might even see the copper inside. It's really outdated. It's really outdated cable, and it needs to be replaced, basically, because where the sheath breaks down as well, it means that the live cable would touch the neutral cable, and then start causing overheating and arcing. So yes, vulcanized rubber, if you have it in your home, have a look at what it looks like, and if you've got anything like that, give me a call and I can come and check it out, and just make sure, just either confirm your suspicions or say no, this is okay. But yeah, just keep an eye out for that. If your home if you've got any doubts at all, actually, yeah, just give me a call and I'm happy to come and take a quick look for you.